Smoking is one of the most harmful habits, as it leads to serious adverse effects, and significantly harms the health, especially the lungs, leading to various issues, such as bronchitis, and cough. Fortunately, there is an incredibly useful natural remedy which will help you clean the lungs from the accumulated toxins and tar and help you prevent further complications. Here is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 400 grains of garlic, 1 smaller piece of ginger root, 400 grains of brown sugar, 1 liter of water. Instruction: in a bowl, heat the brown sugar, and then add the finely chopped ginger, onion, and turmeric root. Bring the mixture to boil, and then lower the heat, leaving the pot over it for several minutes. Next, let it cool down and then transfer the mixture to a glass container. Leave it thus for a couple of minutes, and then store it in the fridge. Use: you should use this remedy twice a day. Take 2 tablespoons on an empty stomach every morning, before your breakfast, as well as in the evening, a couple of hours after dinner. Furthermore, make sure you exercise regularly, to help the elimination of toxins from the body.